This video is going to show you how to make a call using the Facebook portal device. Now, first of all, here is the remote, and you want to push this on button. And when you do, the TV will go to the portal. Now, again, on the remote, you want to hit the home button, and this brings up a list of people that she can call. So we're going to call Hillary. So you simply toggle over using the circle up here, just left or right on the circle. And then when you have the person you want, you hit the middle button and it brings her up. And now we want to do a video call. And so we do a video call and it calls Hillary. And then when she answers, she'll appear on the screen. Hello. And that's all there is to it.
Hello? Hello? Okay, this phone rang and it's